All right, good morning to every one of you. My name is Godwin Shadu, the Lion, and this is the Lion Talk Show coming straight to you from the land of Ghana, Accra, West Africa. It's another blessed day, another new day. And I quickly want to use this opportunity to say thank you to God Almighty for giving me and my family, including you, another blessed day. It's amazing, right? Yes, what a wonderful God we serve. Right? I want you to keep praying, keep believing, keep trusting in God. Everything is just going to work perfectly fine. Okay. All right. At the same time, I want you to know that whatever that vision is, whatever that dream is that you want to achieve is very possible. Don't be defeated. All right. I want you to know that defeat is in your mind. As long as your mind is still strong, as long as your mind is still believing in God, as long as you keep believing, as long as you keep pushing, it's possible for you to achieve your dream. All right. As a matter of fact, when you have dream, don't expect things to work out easy for you. When you have vision, don't expect things to work out easy for you. It's not possible for those that have something to offer for them to just do it that way, just free. If it's easy, everyone will do it, right? So the joy of it is that no matter what the tribulation is, no matter what the temptation is, we keep pushing and we keep moving, right? So it's very possible for you to achieve it. Don't let the failure of yesterday hold you back from going again today. Keep pushing. And I want you to know that it's going to happen. No matter how tough it is, it's going to be better very soon, all right? So I want to talk about vision this morning. What is that vision? Yeah, what is that vision that is giving you sleepless nights? So you ask yourself today, what is my vision? Or if you know what your vision is, and you're asking yourself, how am I going to get this done? I want you to know that it's not about you. It's not for you to get it done. It's God that will help you to get it done. You just have to play your own part. You just have to keep doing what is right. And you just have to keep pushing, right? And you have to keep praying, right? So as you are praying, you keep moving. You don't stay in one place and say, because I'm praying, it's going to happen. And don't let fear hold you back, right? Don't be afraid. As I don't know what they're going to do to me if I appear in that place. No. No one can do anything to you if God has not permitted them. And as long as you keep trusting in God, I want you to know that God will not lead you to a path of destruction. That is why you wake up every morning, you pray for God to direct your step. If you have not been doing it, make sure that it should be the center of your life.